degree. Hello, hello. Now serving. Oops. Drop ball. Set up. Over ball. Oh! First point for the gold match goes to Team PNE. First point for Team PNE. Oh! Score for Team PNE. Score po natin 2-0 in favor of Team PNE. Parang may finals jitters pa ang Team Alon. Oh! Service ace. Point for Team PNE. Side out daw ang sigaw ng audience. Nice reception, over ball. Sinet up. Dinig. Set up to the open. Drop ball, oops. Not touch. Point for Team Yanig. Hello. Scoreless pa rin po ang Team Alon. Can they get the side out? Over ball. Kinuha. Sinet. Oh! That makes the first point of Team Alon. Serving number 5, the reigning best server. Wow! And he gets the ace. Point for Team Alon. Good serve. Good reception. Set up to the open. Kinuha. Sinet up sa open. Oh, nice dig. Over ball. Oh! Point for Team Alon. That is three straight service for Chris Recto of Team Alon. Nice anticipation. Oh! Good block. Point for Team Alon. And that is a 4-0 run by Team Alon. Good serve. Set up. Over ball. Oh! Score for Team Yanig off the net. Now serving Team Yanig. Good serve. Oh! That is what you call. Thank you for watching. Serve for Team Yanig. into the net. Point for Team Alon. Now serving for Team Alon. Vincent, number 9. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Nice drop ball. Set up to the open. Hey! That is a point for Team Alon. From defense to offense. Serving for Team Alon, Vincent. Good serve. Oh! Into the net and not over. We are now tied at 7-all. Good service from Vincent. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Set up again from the open. Oh, not over. Point for Team Alon. Lamang na po ang Team Alon, 8-7. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Oops, nice defense. Over ball. Set up by Chris Recta to the open. We have a rally. Oh, not over. Point for Team Alon. Still serving for Team Alon, Vincent. Nice serve. Oh! That is a score for Team Alon. Nice serve. Oh, nice dig. Oh! Point for Team Yannick. And they break a 5-0 run blast by Team Alon. Now serving for Team Yannick. Number 16, Kuya Nick Sumulo. Oh! With a back drop. Point for Team Alon. Time out, Team Yannick. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, Mandala, DLDT High Speed Hitters, Conbini, Kuya Bob Finishing Services, Kuya Jojo Satinko, Andre Felix for our Pocari Sweat, Chase, Capital Dental Center, Nexus Vegetables. We'd also like to acknowledge our photographers, Mike Santiago, Elizur Hola, Kenneth Corpus, and Arnel Encina. Back to the ball game. Serving for Team Alon, number 8, Camacho. Over, chance ball. A high chance ball. Nice setup. Oh! That is a monster block! Sabi ni Andre, meet me at the top and don't be late. Point for Team Yannick. Babalik at sasagot kaya si number 30 ng Alon. Nice reception. Oh! Over ball? Okay. Nadig. Ito na. Babalik kaya. Oh! Not over. Point for Team Yannick. Our score, and 10 serving 11. Nice serve. Nice knock. Nice dig. Set up to the open. Over ball. Dinig ni Shiz. Sineta pa rin sa open. Oh! A joust won by Andre Mendoza. Time out. Team They will regroup. Score po natin, 11 all. Nakahabol na po ang Team Yanig. Again, we would like to thank our sponsors, Nexa Vegetables, Capital Dental Center, Chase, Ante Felix for Pocari Swen, Kuya Jojo Satinko, Kuya Bob Finishing Services, Cod Bini, Mandala, and the PLDT High Speed Hitters. Back to the ball game. Nice reception. Oh! Not over for the 1-2 attempt. Point for Team Yanig. They are now up by a point. Can Team Alon break this bleeding? Good serve. Set up to the open. Oh! Number 30 scores down the line with the stare down. Sasagot kaya ang Team Yanig? Let us find out. We are having a ball game, everyone. Serving for Team Alon, Cheese. Good serve. But it's outside. Point for Team Yanig. Service, Team Yanig. Good serve. Reception by number 30. Set up to number 30. Outside! Point for Team Yanig. Service, Team Yanig. Good serve. Reception by Camacho. Set up to 4. Oh! Not over! Score po natin, 15-12, lamang ng tatlo ang Team Yanig. Good serve. Set up to the open. Oh! With the help of the net. Oh! Grabe, may mind games talaga. Sige nga, baka sasagot yung Yanig. Tingnan nga natin with this serve. Service from Team Alon. Nice service, nice reception. Oh, nice dig by Cheese. Over ball. Outside. Point for Team Yanig. Good intention, but too much. Yeah, it's too much. Service from Team Yanig, Andre Mendoza. Good serve. Kaya lang outside. Point for Team Alon. Akin-akin daw, sabi ni Andre Mendoza. Now serving for Team Alon. Oh! Binalik lang ang service error. Point for Team Yanig. First set. Service. Nice reception.
Nice one!
Oops! Inside! Targeting zone number 1. Score for Team Alon. Ang galing talaga ni Mami Chisa. Service number 5, Chris Recto. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Oh, buhay pa! Buhay pa! Set up again to the middle. Okay, kinuha na setter. Set up to the open. Oh, nice dig. Set up to the open. Over ball. Outside. Point for Team Alon. Ang ganda ng rally. Score po natin, 16 serving 17. Service by Chris Recto. Nice service. Into the open. Not over. Grabe naman ang teams na to. Dikdikan. We're now at another deadlock. 17 all. Nice service. Set up to the back row. Oh! Lumusot sa dalawang kamay ni Chris Recto. Side out by Team Yanig. Oh! Service ace. Score po natin, 19 serving 17. Inside! Point for Team Yanig. Time out, Team Alon. Score po natin, 20-17. Damang ng tatlo ang Team Yanig. Back to the ball game. Audience check. Sinong nag-cheer sa Team Yanig? Sino na bang naniniwalang kayang bumalik ng Team Alon? Back to the ball game. Service error. Point for Team Alon. Substitution. Number 9 out. Number 23, Iliana in. Service for Team Alon.
Go Alon!
Good serve. Set up by number 18. Oh! Point for Team Yanig. Care of a quick attack from Nick Sumulo. Service, Team Yanig. 21 serving 18. Reception by Cheese. Set up to the open. Drop shot. Shoot. Oh! Point for Team Yanig. Score po natin 22 serving 18. Ang sigaw ng sidelines, side out, Team Alon. Hindi na kailangan. Thank you sa service error ng Team Yanig. Service for Team Alon. Number 8, Anton Camacho.
Nice one, Wendell!
Nice reception. Oops! Set up to the middle. Oh! Nice find. Point for Team Yanig. Our score, 23 serving 19. Last 2 points for Team Yanig to secure the first set. Service. Good serve. Nice reception. Set up. Good! Oh! Point for Team Alon. They are not giving up. Makahabol kaya ang Team Alon? Let's see from this service from Cheese. Good serve. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Oh! Nice target down the line. Point for Team Yanig. Yanig is now at set point. Kaya pa kayang makahabol ng Team Alon? Tingnan natin from the serve from Team Yanig. Thank you, sabi ng Team Alon for that service error. Now serving for Team Alon, number 30. He's taking his time. Oh! What was the call? Wrong server! Team Yannick secures the first set, 25-21. End of the first set, score po natin 25-21, won by Team Yannick.
Let's go, Alon!
Talagang nayanig ang Team Alon sa first set. Aalunin kaya nila ang Team Yannick sa second set? Malalaman natin.